Fortnite! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 to $1,000 a day literally watching Fortnite videos. Hit the thumbs up button if you like Fortnite, and hit the thumbs down button if you don't like Fortnite. Millennials are literally changing the game, and I can consider myself a millennial. However, the way you used to make money is changing. These kids have literally found out a way to make hundreds and thousands of dollars using the power of the internet and just doing something that they love, something that they're passionate about. Now, this strategy that I'm going to be talking about today, literally A-list celebrities like Drake, like Travis Scott, and a bunch of other celebrities are actually playing this Fortnite game. I'm going to share with you right here live on this computer exactly how to make this work, and shoot, how you can get started as little as today. I'm hopping on over to the computer screen, and as you can see right here on YouTube, if you type in Fortnite, there's several videos on Fortnite. This is a lot of gameplay, so people are playing the game and basically uploading those videos to YouTube. And so, like, if you look at some of these, I'm gonna actually show you the proof that these people are actually making some serious money with this. But literally, there's pages and pages of videos of people just playing this, simply playing the game. And if you look at the subscribers here, like for example, I'm gonna take this person right here's name. And if you head on over to Social Blade, I can't even copy this thing properly.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, you know, and today is a different kind of video, man.
All right, here we go. So I'm gonna head on over to Social Blade. And I'm gonna pop this person's name into Social Blade, and I'm gonna share with you how much money this person is making from their YouTube channel just by simply uploading Fortnite content. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, I have no interest in playing Fortnite whatsoever, but that's not the case here. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get content that's already created, re-upload that content to YouTube, and start getting viewers, subscribers to your channel. And eventually, with the demographics and everything that I'm going to share with you inside this video, you can start making money. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this name that we found into YouTube. Social Blade. And what Social Blade does, it shows me all of their earnings with YouTube. And it also shows me how many viewers they're getting, how many subscribers per day that they're getting to their channel. All right, so as you can see here, they're making between $12,000 on the very low end to $205,000 per month, and their estimated yearly earnings is on the low end $153K to $2.5 million per year. How many of you on this video right now would like to earn this amount of money per month just by playing Fortnite videos, just by uploading Fortnite videos to your YouTube channel? As you can see, they're getting 8,000 subscribers a day, up to as much as 11,000 subscribers a day, and they're averaging about almost 9,000 subscribers per day through this YouTube channel. And so, as you can see over here to the right hand side, it's showing you how much they're making per day. Now, as you can see, this says live, so that's actually today, and today just started. But if we go to yesterday, literally $527 on low end to as much as $8,400 that they made in a day from uploading these types of videos to their YouTube channel, folks. There's literally millions of views in this niche. There's kids on there. You know, kids nowadays have cell phones, iPads, everything. They're looking on there, trying to see what the gameplay is like, because they're obsessed with these games. They develop these games so that they can be obsessed to the millennials, because they know the millennials are the ones coming up and learning you know, all of this stuff through YouTube, because like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it, TV's obsolete, man. And nowadays people are using YouTube, especially for me being overseas. I use YouTube and I watch TV on YouTube consistently. So with that being said, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on over to another website, which you're gonna be able to get fresh content of people who play Fortnite every single day. So if I go over here to Fortnite, twitch.com or .tv, sorry. I go to twitch.tv and I type in Fortnite up top here, and then I go ahead and let's see, hit Fortnite here, and then I go to videos, and then I go to newest, and literally these are the newest videos that have come out on Fortnite. Okay, and what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick one of these videos. So many videos, it's so insane. So I'm just gonna pick one of these, right? Pause that real quick. I'm gonna start watching it. Turn that down. Advertisement. I just wonder how much they're making from this advertisement that showed up on this video. But hey, here's another thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go here to share, and then you're gonna copy this link to your clipboard, and then you're gonna go over to a site. Just gonna say download Twitch clips, and now you can go on over to the site here, paste in your link off your clipboard, download video in 720. There it is. Boom, it's being downloaded. It's downloaded to my computer already, folks. And all you gotta do is re-upload these videos to your YouTube channel. Okay, and so my strategy with you, to give you special advice here, I'm gonna go on over to my whiteboard real quick, and I'm gonna share with you a strategy that you need to use for this YouTube channel. I've given multiple tips on how to rank YouTube videos, but most importantly, you're gonna do this, and like you said, like you've seen, like it doesn't take a whole lot of time to download a video. So what you're gonna do is every single day you're gonna download a video, and if you got more time, you can download more than one video, but every single day. And these boxes represent videos that you're gonna upload. Okay, the more frequently that you upload videos, the more subscribers you're gonna get, the more views you're gonna get, and the closer you are gonna be to having success with this strategy. Now this is just gonna be video number 1, video number 2, and video number 3. Okay, now what your job is to go to YouTube, and you're gonna type in Fortnite, right? And you're gonna find the videos with the most views in the shortest period of time that are only have to do with gameplay, like this right here. And you're going to use the titles of these videos, okay? Because, like, listen, most of the views do not come from the search. Most of the views, like pretty much the majority of the views, come from this sidebar over here. So your job is to get over on this sidebar over here, just by utilizing what I'm telling you. Copy the name, like the title of this video. Make sure you put the same details in your description of this YouTube video, and then at the same time you can copy the tags. Now I have this thing called vidIQ, which is a free plugin. It's a Chrome plugin that you can use, or extension, and it'll allow you, like, it shows up everything. Now this video doesn't have any tags whatsoever, so like I would move on to the next video. But there's a clip, there's literally like a paper clip on the side over here that you hit, and it'll copy all the tags, and you use that when you upload this video to YouTube. So, like, folks, man, this is a sick strat. This is a sick way of making some additional income. And I have to let you know that it does take a while, because here's the thing, this is how you're going to get paid. YouTube has a partnership program, and this partnership program pays you through Google AdSense. Okay, so Google AdSense has been around for a long time. So when YouTube partnered up with Google, they actually aggregated everything inside of YouTube to where you can actually get paid if people view your video, and then also if they click on the advertisements on those videos. So how you're actually getting paid is there's advertisers that are willing to pay money for the advertisements on these videos because they have, you know, gameplay, or they have some, you know, whatever they're selling, they're paying to be there on that spot. And what Google is doing is simply sharing some of the revenue with you, just because you've created the content for those advertisers to be able to promote their advertisements on your video. So you get a piece of that pie because of it. So like if I go to my YouTube channel here, there's a couple of, there's a criteria that you need to basically uphold, and that is if you go to monetization here. I've applied for the YouTube partnership program, but I'm currently awaiting for my app to be approved. But here's the criteria. They want you to at least have 4,000 hours of watch time. That doesn't mean 4,000 views, that's watch time hours. Okay, and so cumulative over your videos, these types of videos get the most views for the longest periods of time, because these are kids watching these videos trying to learn how to play this game. So, and the next piece of criteria is you only have to have 1,000 subscribers. Although my channel was 2,668 subscribers at the time of shooting this video, the thing about this is that it like this type of content that I create for my channel, it's a whole lot harder to get subscribers and growth like it is with these gaming channels. And so you're gonna pass me up in no time. You're gonna get to 1,000 subscribers in no time, especially if you're utilizing the strategy that I'm telling you inside this video. Do not sleep on this. It literally takes you no work at all to make this thing work. Now you're going to have to use, like if you have a Mac, use iMovie just to kind of like cut up a couple of clips so you can shorten these things up, because literally these videos on Twitch are like an hour long, 2 hours long, and you don't want to be uploading videos that long. Maybe 20-minute clips max, but that's about it. 20-minute clips on your channel, and pretty much upload every single day. Now if you could do 2 videos a day, more power to you. Your channel's going to grow faster than somebody that's going to upload once a day. It's just simple math. So if you do this again every day for the next 3 months, I'm telling you guys, you will see exponential growth with your channel. All right, we've done it in, like I'm doing it in my niche, which is the make money online niche, teaching you guys how different ways to make money online. But there's, you know, in the gaming niche, it just takes off. You can see 1,000, 2,000, 8,000 subscribers in a day, folks, just by utilizing you just uploading freaking gameplay videos, right? And then eventually, if you have a son, if you have kids, or you yourself want to play the game, you can definitely do that. You have original content right there on your channel, and you're literally going to get paid just to play video games. Okay, so anyways, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you enjoyed this content today. And if you're looking forward to making more money online with that income that you will be making from these videos that I showed you how to upload, then you're going to want to pay attention and stay subscribed to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to show you ways to invest that money to make even more money off of the money that you've been making from this particular strategy. You guys take care, and I'll definitely see you at the top.